Hello my friends, Stark here. Today is the 1st of July 2015. I'm out here on noisy State Road 3 where I've just purchased this 1977 American LaFrance fire truck. Switch those fire lights on. Switch the front lights on, the fire lights. Let's get this cool wobble light on the front. Anyways, just purchased this truck. Not entirely sure what I intend to do with her. It does have rust in the cab. I could cut it up. Lots of aluminum and a huge stainless steel tank here and back. Let me show you my reason for purchasing this truck. Here we have a Detroit diesel 8V71 two-stroke engine. Give it some rev, Josh. Detroit diesel 8V71, 71 cubic inches per cylinder. V8, 9.3 liters of Detroit diesel two-stroke power. Well, it took a little effort to get this truck running, but now that she is, sounds real nice. All right, let's try the transmission. Allison automatic transmission. This is the first time we've moved the truck. Try it again, she's just in a rut. Brakes may be stuck on a little bit. Try to rock it a little bit. Does have the air brakes off. I checked that already. Air brake definitely disengaged there.
The light is no longer on.
All right. So that shouldn't be our problem. Maybe she just hung up on the brake shoes.
Are the wheels spinning?
No. No, if you tried forward as well as reverse.
Yeah.
Try rolling her forward.
You're not spinning at all?
No.
On the other side.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, this one's been spinning. Missing the inner wheels there. Okay, try it again. Okay, so this is our problem. I should have been on this side of the truck. Okay, we got I should have been on the right side of the truck. We just have a spinning wheel here. Everything looks good. Transmission's working.
Oh, okay, we're done.
Yeah, just try to rock it out. That's all you can do. If we can't, we'll have to tow it out.
Keep rocking it.
Yeah. See if you can rock it out. Okay, we're just digging. It's not going. It's not, it's just digging. Alright, put it in neutral and shut it down. Disappointing end to the video. But yeah, we'll have to return and tow it out.
Hey Josh, let's start packing crap.
Well, thank you so much for watching, my friends. Didn't get her out this time, but did get her started. Take care. See you next time.